We'll start with a partridge sprite size 14 dry fly hook, barbless. I've got shear 40-0 red. This is the Heinz 57. And what we want to do is just start our tying thread a little ways behind the hook eye. So you have this small area without any tying thread on. We just make a few turns like that. Oops. Remove that, and we go back up to that bare hook section at the front. I'm going to take two CDC hackles and we'll go loosely over that bare hook shank a couple of times, and then we'll just pull these through. That'll do us nicely. Then we can go back 4 or 5 turns over the CDC, and then we can trim this off just at a wee angle, and then angle forward again, lift up the hackle 3 or 4 turns just to hold it in position, and then we can go back over the CDC, and we want to go back to about there. Then I'll spin my tying thread anti-clockwise to flatten it. I'll go back a little bit more. What I want to do now is I just want to make a ever so slight red butt on the end there, like that. Then I've taken a grizzle hackle and I've stripped about 1 centimetre of the stem at the base. Now I spin my thread clockwise to give it a round profile. What I want to do now is from left to right and then right to left, so the hackle is at 90 degrees to the hook shank, and we want this little bare stem piece just showing, and then we'll lift up the stem and we'll secure that with a couple of turns. Then we need a nice bushy peacock herl, and what we want to do is we want to trim off about 2 centimetres of that before we start, and we'll just attach that right at the base of the grizzle hackle, and then we can go up and secure that stem all the way up to the CDC wing. And we'll put a hackle plier on the herl, and what we want is to make a nice dense herl body. Just take your time with this. It makes a real difference if you have good herl. I don't buy strung, I only buy peacock eyes that have nice dense herl on them. So we go up the body, making even turns and winding away from me, and we get into the wing. I think that's enough. And I'll bring the tying thread around the back, lift the herl up, secure that with 1 turn, remove the hackle plier, a couple of more turns, and then I can just turn my vise and carefully remove the herl. And then what I'll do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more turns and bring my bobbin up, because now I'm going to use the rotary vise to apply the hackle, but in the opposite way that I put the herl on, so it will strengthen the herl. And we'll just take our time palmering it as we go forward, and we get to there. I can actually take one more off there, swap it round the back, hold it in position with one turn, get that hackle out the way, and another, pull it back, and then we'll come in front, secure it, remove that, lift everything up and go in front, that's good. And then we'll take our whip finisher and make a little red head, tighten that up, remove the tying thread, there we are, and that's the finished Heinz 57. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.